Hello, my name is Kate and I'm going to show you how to use our BirdCaller software. This video demonstrates how to use BirdCaller software to add audio to your stickers. I have 3 MP3 files on my computer and I want to move the audio onto 3 stickers so that I can listen to these sounds when I'm out and about. Now open the BirdCaller software. Choose your product. In this case, we are going to use the free sample stickers you received with your pen. Now choose Product option. As you can see, for this demo we will use small circles. Now click on the Continue button. This lists all the stickers available in the sample set as small circles. Your stickers have the same numbers as you see here. Go to the Browse Files column and choose Label 1. Double-click in this area. It will open up a window from where you can choose your audio files. For this demo, I have some files saved on my desktop. I choose my first file, Grey Lag Goose, and click Open button. Now you can see this audio file is assigned to label 1. Now choose the second file and choose another audio, and then the same for the third. I have all 3 files now assigned to stickers. Now connect your pen pal to the computer with the USB cable. You will notice a pen pal image appears in the bottom left corner of the software. This indicates that the pen is connected correctly. Now click on the Transfer button. Files are starting to download onto the pen pal. Click on OK. Now, let's see if it's worked. Switch your pen pal on. Press the mode button until the light turns red. Now touch sticker number 1. Thank you for watching this demo. I hope you found it useful.